Hi guys, it's Bonnie, and as you can see, I got this brand new LG flip phone here. You see it still has the little film on. But despite the fact that this is a brand new phone, weirdly it did not come with a battery. When I got home from Salvation Army and looked inside the box, there was no battery inside. But luckily it did come with a charger, so if we want to check the prognosis on this phone, we'll be able to do so by just plugging it in the wall. And as you can see, for a competitor, I got this iPhone 4S. You see the back glass is shattered, but it does still work, so I guess it's still good enough to be a competitor to this phone. Okay, so first up, let's get into the drop test on these guys. And I should mention, since this is a flip phone, we have to do open and closed drops, of course. But since it would take way too long to do like close, chest height, corner, all that stuff, I'm just going to do all the drops from chest height. Backside drop. 3, 2, 1. Nothing really new with either phone. I can't really tell if the back glass is shattered more on the iPhone 4S or not. And the flip phone is working perfectly fine, as you can see. Corner side drop in 3, 2, 1. Jesus Christ, those phones were so bouncy. iPhone 4S, just same old, same old. Oh shit guys, okay, so when I threw it, it shattered really bad, and yeah, it's safe to say that it isn't same old anymore. And we're just gonna count me throwing the iPhone 4S on the ground as a face down, so let's just do the flip phone for the face down. Face down on the flip phone in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that was so violent. The front display is fine on the flip phone, and the main display is fine also. Alright, so now let's just do a few slams with these phones. And I know it's a bit pointless with the 4S because just look at this thing, but whatever, we're just gonna do it anyways. What? Teen Titans Go is airing every day for the next 2 years? Damn it! Okay, that was the end of the 4S. Yeah, I'm just gonna disqualify the 4S now. And the flip phone, it still looks perfectly fine, but how does it work? It's still fine? This does not compute. 3, 2, 1. Now let's do some slams with it open. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. One more time. Oh my god, that bounced like a few feet in the air. Oh shit, okay, so we finally got a major reaction out of the front display, but the main display, still fine. How the hell? Okay, so now let's just throw this completely mangled iPhone at the flip phone.
iPhones are so much better than you that even when I'm absolutely destroyed I still function better. I'm gonna kick your digital ass.
Oh, that one was clean. Oh god, okay. Maybe I was too quick to disqualify the iPhone. Aw, damn, okay. So we finally got a major reaction out of the main display. Now to end these two obsolete abominations, but since I use the hammer in almost every video, I'm gonna bring back some tools I used in the past. First, let's get the iPhone out of the way. Oh god. I'm hitting it softly so blast doesn't hit me in the face.
see me rolling.
Enough of that. Let's move on to the shitty LG phone. Let's just start off by doing this. Amazing. Ha, I'm from 2006 and I think this thing is actually cool. Not. Okay, let's switch over to the crowbar now. That's real nice. Let's try to get that camera cracked. Of course, everything but the camera actually shatters. Beautiful. Time to introduce a new tool, the Monster Hammer. Oh, now that is something you do not see every day. Get off of my hammer, you bitch! Yeah, I think that's about all the damage I can do to this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching Flip Phone vs. iPhone 4S durability test. I would say that the Flip Phone did pretty well in the test, whereas the iPhone just sucked ass. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next time with 25 ways to break a tablet too. Goodbye, guys.